right, Trahond McCoy, HVAC install, worked for Pipe Wrench. I seen all the benefits and all the great things Pipe Wrench was doing, and it just sparked my interest. And I decided I'd give it a try. And luckily, I was fortunate enough for the opportunity, and I'm loving it so far, so good. Before Pipe Wrench, I was a maintenance man. I did deliveries for Amazon, a lot of appliance jobs. I worked on small appliances, and that's pretty much the overview of my outside of Pipe Wrench experience. The work I like most about Pipe Wrench is just the different adventures you go on. Up under these houses, we come across a lot of different things, and it's all exciting. Sometimes it's not as exciting, but it's all exciting. So I just love the different work environments and just all the hands-on work. My life outside of work consists of constantly caring for my two beautiful children and their mom, and just constantly playing video games whenever I have downtime. I sometimes, just do a little bit of background work on the trade, but I'm not in the books as much these days, so I just spend a lot of time playing with the kids and playing video games.